A slowdown at the Cook County Clerk's office after the death of Karen Yarbrough on Sunday may affect families who are trying to close out legal matters.
Yeah, it's likely that if you look at an official birth or death certificate from the last few years in Cook County, you will see Karen Yarbrough's name on it. It's embedded in the paper that prints those copies, making them official. So her passing has not only led to grief, but confusion. The sudden death of Cook County Clerk Karen Yarbrough is fresh in the minds of so many. Friends, family, and co-workers have been paying tribute to her life and legacy.
Let's go, where do we go, who is it?
But while many mourn the loss of an upbeat clerk, her office has been dealing with another unexpected issue: confusion over how exactly the work would get done without her. Funeral director Mark Giancola first realized there might be an issue yesterday when he and others received calls about death certificates with Yarbrough's name on them.
And then when I talked to an employee from the clerk's office, they told me they stopped issuing death certificates yesterday.
The clerk's office is the official record keeper for death certificates as well as birth certificates and marriage licenses for the 5 million people in Cook County. All certified copies have her name on them. Those are fine. But any new certificates issued need to be switched over to her interim replacement. That new paperwork may not come in until next week, slowing down an already painful process.
What are these poor families going to do? We need them, they need that for life insurance, shipping out people internationally, property, all the reasons you would need a death certificate, and now we can't have them right away.
While families wait, the Cook County Funeral Directors Association issued a statement calling this a temporary interruption that will not affect any other facet of funeral services, including cremations and burials. As far as a timeline, funeral homes will be kept in the loop when those documents become available.
Many officials have passed away in office, and government goes on. I don't know why in this situation it didn't happen.
Now, the clerk's media person did get back to us in the last 45 minutes or so. They tell us they are legally required to change the name of these certified documents. They are working to do that and are temporarily unable to provide those paper copies of birth and death as well as marriage certificates. No timeline on when the issue will be resolved, though. All of this means that they are still registering information, but they can't provide those physical copies. So we'll keep you posted on what happens.